The Hausas are very angry for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Come here as this one don't come talk say if he say he see Tinubu say no dey fear am say na only blow na him go use follow up the president. And I say hey, this one don rest, so Nigeria don finally reach this extent. Hey, we dey talk the people wey don talk the one wey dey talk. This one dey talk another one. He say that as e be like this now, if you see the president one on one, he say no be small blow. Na I say here abeg go make those security wey dey follow Tinubu make dey follow am well, because everybody dey paro for this country. Some don park their car because dem no go fit buy fuel again. Some no dey chop well, dem don cancel 3 square meal. Now na 1 square meal dem dey eat and drink water take manage theirself. Some now wey no dey fit trek before now don go dey learn trek as their new hobby now. My people, if you see that big man wey you know before for road wey in dey waka, no worry o. Na exercise in dey do, no be fuel problem. But however, I go play this video make you see the kampara wey people wey dey for street dey para concerning this government. Just watch the video before we come back. Go continue.
Tinubu, tanda fire you way. The thing wey they do, I know like am.
What did Tinubu they do?
Yeah, I don't know what Tinubu didn't do. Didn't do sleep for Tiana.
I said me as a support army taking over this country, but we no get intelligent army now.
People they say anything why happen Buhari now. The thing they was in double everything now. If you go market, people they cry. Many things don't hide. Anything why a food. You see I'm
Better pass this one.
Buhari better pass Tinubu at all. But Tinubu no be better person. No be good man. That man na only you say we like.
Yeah, na me come out na. Tinubu ya bogorariyan nan mun gaji da shi. Domin abin da yake baya mana kyau. Domin Allah shi ya kashe Tinubu. Muna roƙon Allah ya kashe mana Tinubu. Mu gaji da wannan abin da yake yi.
Nagode. Sabi na kwe.
Na Tinubu.
Tinubu Shetima.
Yes.
Now them make this damn cost. People know they buy. People they buy. People they buy small. They buy small.
Yes.
People.
Many of people now they don't leave this country go outside.
Go Cote d'Ivoire.
Some they Cote d'Ivoire, Gabon, this country, Libya, some they go Libya, some they go Nigeria. Me and them, then they will talk for us off.
So they like that place fast.
And like that place fast Nigeria now. That place they good fast Nigeria.
Like they
Everything they normal, steady, like this steady for that place.
Tinubu spoil Nigeria now with.
Na Buhari start, but the Tinubu come, the thing come was fast Buhari time.
So you want me Tinubu resign now, or maybe to
We want make Tinubu resign. If you say Tinubu go complete this 4 years for that year, people go die.
People go die.
Wait. Even now people you see the dying.
Also, people cannot go hospital and everything.
Nah, true now.
And all these things now come cost. You say you go come up for the country if you get the opportunity.
Me, I no go anywhere because of I get family, a family man.
Yeah, you go they send them money.
I no go. I go say like that. The manager.
Manager. Things go get better.
I'm a family man.
All right, now go the man.
Okay, thank you.
Allah ka kashe Hamana. Allah ka kashe Fir'auna. Ka kashe Hamana. Allah ga Tinubu, you know say me I know they fear you. I don't care for my work. Anytime I go find work, anytime I push you baro, I don't know which time I go finish it. I don't care for this work. Tinubu, tanda fire you way. The thing wey they do, I know like am.
What did Tinubu they do?
Yeah, I don't know what Tinubu didn't do sleep for Tiana. Yes, I don't push you baro like this. I don't tell now. See the thing what I do you. Work no day. I don't suffer way. I don't see the work.
For your side now, people they say Zaga make military can't take over the government, make Tinubu come out there.
They no do anything.
Tinubu no do anything.
Yes.
So make Tinubu come out.
Yeah, na me come out now. Tinubu ya bogorariyan nan mun gaji da shi. Domin abin da yake baya mana kyau. Domin Allah shi ya kashe Tinubu. Muna roƙon Allah ya kashe mana Tinubu. Mu gaji da wannan abin da yake yi.
Na gode. You na follow talk the same. When are they? All right now.
You know, see, bread I carry now.
And the chop food now. What's it with this?
Now, Lipton now what they carry with bread. You know, no say hunger they suffer. People they cry where sir.
This month make 1 year with Tinubu don't enter office. How the country?
Who?
1 year in office.
Tinubu. People they think they was.
Buhari, Tinubu better pass Buhari.
Oh no. Before say people they say anything why happen Buhari. Now they think they was in double everything now. If you go market, people they cry. Many things don't hide. Anything why food. You see, I'm sir. Anything now, people they cry well. No job. Everything they poor. This Buhari, this Tinubu administration is very poor.
What it be the thing where government they do where you know they happy about?
That fuel subsidy why Tinubu come out. Now be the anything why come worse for this country.
How not be now?
Not. People they cry well. People they suffer for not. For our village, people they suffer well.
They vote Tinubu for your village.
No. Me I be PDP man. Me I be PDP man. Even before say me I be PDP man. I not like Tinubu. Even that time self, I know like Tinubu.
All right, now, Malam, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, what about you?
Me, I know the talk.
Chairman, share your experience. How the country?
The country don't double. The country don't change pattern. No joy for the country. You they cry. No joy.
Share Tinubu, Buhari better pass Tinubu or Tinubu better pass Buhari?
No, Buhari better than Tinubu because that time we dey cry heat. We don't say we are enter fire. Now on fire directly. No food, no joy, no gari, smoke simply cup of rice now. 500. We dey cry. Smoke common gari now. Now 300 naira for the cup. So no joy. Nah, no joy. We know they have fee at all. Yeah.
How much for these beans now?
This beans, 1 kosa or 1 cup or have rubber.
Rubber of this one. This 11,000.
For rubber. Brown beans.
White one, how much?
Iron white, 85 for rubber. That one with 2 color. Color. That one 9,000 for rubber.
So this rice where get stone now, how much? Rubber.
7,000.
This one's way fine.
That one 78. This one 75. This one 78.
People they buy this food stuff like before, Malam.
People they buy.
See they buy.
You see they buy now.
But you know, be like before.
You don't like before. Now market no they move.
Market no they
I'm
move.
telling you. Everyone I don't try. Why?
You see. So, for the compared to the time where Buhari day, what will you say?
The time where Buhari day, it better pass now.
So Buhari better pass this one.
Buhari better pass at all. But Tinubu no be better person. No be good man. That man now only in say we like.
We see for North where they praise Russian flag for that place.
I'm good now.
So there will be one main military can't take over.
You want me army can't take over. So we don't get intelligent army for this country now.
But no army they interested.
We don't get intelligent army.
Now. Army where they
all other army we get now.
Army they fear now.
Now they fear because of politics. It didn't time body. And they collect money for president.
So Northerners want to make our army take over.
Now so you want. Me say I follow. Me say that's what I want.
So hunger day there plenty.
Hunger too much. People know they so belly full now.
My wonderful people, Shebuna don't hear them as they talk because this one I like this video where this our brother go do. This one only Hausas now do the video. May know whether this thing where they happen for Nigeria, it really affect them, but it affect them. But for this whole cry, now which people they cry pass, I beg Drop am for comment section. We wan know the people wey dey cry pass right now for Nigeria, and we wan know the people wey say other people no go vote o. Make you write am for comment section. Guys, please, we have a new Facebook account which is called Balaba Gist Vlog. Please follow this page. I'm begging. Follow this page. This my particular main page. They are attacking the page seriously, and I'm leaving it for them. I'm going for this new page. So I want my people to follow me to that place. Please don't forget to follow that page. As you don't watch the video, make sure say you follow the page. You go do me this favor. Now only thing what I need from you. Thank you so much, guys. Please share and drop your own opinion in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much for watching.